Hi, my name is Bailey Strange-Covey. I'm a senior at the University of Idaho getting a bachelor's degree in animal science production. I am currently a work-study employee here at the University of Idaho Sheep Center.
We have over 200 acres of pasture. We roughly have around 350 breeding ewes. Some of those are purebred Suffolks, and some are polypage targhee, and a whole bunch of different crosses that we've done through research. So this is our first pen closest to our lambing barn, which is just right up there through a pasture that they have available to them, is the closest ewes that are coming up to lambing. So this has a lot of our yearling ewe lambs in here that this is going to be their first time lambing. And every day we walk through and we do a health check and check to see if there's any lambs on the ground. Around 4 o'clock they will be brought up to the lambing barn where they'll be locked in for the night so we can monitor them very closely during this late stage of pregnancy. And this is our working facility where lambs can be sorted, run through for vaccinations, and other things that needed to be done throughout the year. These are our rams out here on pasture enjoying the nice sunny day. We have 3 Suffolk rams, 2 polypage rams, and a purebred targhee ram, as well as the one in the front is our Dorper ram. This is coming into our lambing barn, and this is where you can get your gloves and everything for personal protection. This right now is our bummer pen, filled with all the little guys. This is our lambing board that lets us know which ewes are in which jugs, when their lambs are born, and what type of lambs they are. And these are our lambing jugs with our ewes. As you can see, this ewe has had a set of twins down there. They all have heat lamps. All their pens are numbered with their feed and water totally available to them. This is our mixing pen that after the lambs are processed and are able to go into the mixing pen with other lambs to learn social behaviors. And this is our 4th year vet students with our manager, Dino. They look to be doing a health check on a baby lamb. And that was the tour of our lambing facilities. And now we're gonna go to our hoop barn where we have extra mixing jugs and pens available. Here we are. So these are for older lambs. As you can see, all these babies are excited to be eating with their moms. And in the back, the lambs have a creek feeder that they can have free choice access to grain and silage. That way we can get more growth on them. Like that one in the feeder. At the University of Idaho Sheep Center, we also have the opportunity to work and learn how to operate heavy machinery, such as the dump truck. We are also able to learn how to use the telehandler and the skid steer, which are all very important heavy machinery that we use daily out at the Sheep Center. At night, we walk through the lambing pens. These are all the ewes that should be lambing fairly soon. So we check at 6, 9, and at midnight. And this is something that you get to do through classes, working here, or even if you feel like volunteering and you think this is something that would be fun, we are more than welcome to have you guys come out and look and do all this with us.